In this video, I'll show you how to install an APK file on the Samsung S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, S26, or any Samsung device. If you've downloaded an app outside of the Google Play Store or Galaxy Store, you'll need to install it manually using an APK file. But before you can do that, you have to enable a few permissions. Otherwise, the installation won't work. Let's walk through it step by step. First, download the APK file you want to install on your device. Once the download is complete, open the My Files app on your Samsung phone. At the bottom, tap on the search bar and type APK to quickly find your downloaded file. Or at the top, you can see the recent files in the latest One UI version. You'll see a list of APK files on your device. Now, tap on the APK file you want to install. Allow the permission on your screen, tap Settings. Toggle on Allow Permission. Tap Install. If you see the Unknown App Blocked message on your screen, you need to turn off the auto blocker by going to Settings, Security and Privacy, Auto Blocker. You need to toggle it off to disable it. Now, open the My Files. Tap your APK file. Tap Install, and your app will start installing. Once it's done, tap Open to launch the app. And that's it! You've successfully installed an APK file on your Samsung S26 series. Just make sure your internet is working if the app requires it, and always download APK files from trusted sources. Thanks for watching.